On the night of 24th February 2022, a joint NAKA party comprising of the police personnel of Byrnihat Police Outpost and ASSAM Rifles personnel had intercepted a vehicle bearing registration number AS01BE3800 that was suspected to have been carrying illegal explosives while heading from KHLIEHRIAT towards Guwahati. 3 persons were arrested during the operation and a case against them has been registered with the NONGPOH police station. SP BHOI District GIRI PRASAD M has more details on the matter.
So around in the afternoon, we got information from a reliable source that a vehicle carrying explosive substances that may be illegal in nature is being transported from Jayantha Hills and might proceed towards Guwahati. So Meghalaya Police along with ASSAM Rifles, in coordination with ASSAM Rifles, we had set up a joint NAKA in the evening yesterday on 24/2/2022. So the NAKA checking was happening and all the vehicles, light vehicles were checked, and around 11:30 p.m. 24 yesterday, so one vehicle was intercepted. The vehicle number is A01BE3800. So around 11:30 p.m. after interception, then it was found that with the joint team of ASSAM Rifles and BHOI Police that the vehicle contained almost 209 kgs of gelatin sticks, neogel gelatin sticks, 50 numbers of aluminium electronic detonators, and almost 2000 special ordinary detonators were recovered from the vehicle. In this connection, 3 persons have been arrested. NONGPOH PS case number 33/2022 under Section 5A of Explosive Substances Act has also been registered under NONGPOH PS. And in this connection, almost 3 mobile phones also were seized, and the vehicle also carrying the illegal explosive substances also were seized. So the team was under DSP Crime, NONGPOH, and headed by IC Byrnihat. So they have also now investigating the case of the origin as well as where the materials were to be delivered. So in this connection, the investigation is still going on.
Just send me the photograph. Send me the photograph.